Hey everyone. I sound kind of weird because I've been coughing all day and um I have a cough drop in my mouth. I might sound a little weird during this video. I'm going into this video with like like nothing. Like I'm just bored and I just like started recording. I've gotten so tan. I'm so freaking bored. Oh my god, and I don't have anything to talk about. I'm so bored. My hair isn't growing. Fucking ugh. My hair just needs to hurry up and grow. It's not doing anything. So like, there's been like hella fights at my school, and I don't even know why. It's like, I don't know. Like this whole week and like last week, like there's just been hella fights. Like every chance anyone gets to get into a fight, which is like every time people aren't in class, like lunch or like brunch or after school or like in between classes. Like what the fuck? Just keep the peace, y'all. That was so lame. Do you know how much I want to play the banjo? Like if I could play the banjo, that'd be the coolest thing ever. Yeah, I would just be like the coolest kid because I play the banjo. Oh no. Well,